Chandrayaan 3 is a lunar mission by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. It is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 2, which was launched in 2019. Chandrayaan 3 is designed to soft-land a lander and rover on the lunar surface near the South Pole. The mission is scheduled to launch on 14th July, 2023. The Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft consists of three modules: a lander, a rover, and a propulsion module. The lander is the most important module, as it will be responsible for safely landing the spacecraft on the lunar surface. The lander is equipped with a variety of sensors and systems to help it navigate and land safely. The rover is a small, mobile vehicle that will be deployed from the lander. The rover will be used to explore the lunar surface and conduct scientific experiments. The propulsion module is responsible for carrying the lander and rover to the lunar surface. The Chandrayaan 3 mission has a number of scientific objectives. These objectives include medium black circle studying the lunar surface and subsurface times, investigating the presence of water on the moon times, exploring the lunar south pole times, developing and demonstrating new technologies for future lunar missions. The Chandrayaan 3 mission is a significant milestone for ISRO. It is the first Indian mission to soft land on the lunar surface since Chandrayaan 1 in 2008. The success of Chandrayaan 3 will demonstrate India's capabilities in space exploration and will pave the way for future lunar missions. The Chandrayaan 3 mission is a complex and challenging undertaking. There are a number of risks associated with the mission, including the possibility of a failure to land the spacecraft safely or the possibility of the rover becoming stuck or damaged. However, ISRO is confident that the mission will be successful. The Chandrayaan 3 mission is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the Indian space program. It is a mission that will help us to learn more about our moon and will pave the way for future lunar exploration. Here is a more detailed overview of the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft and its scientific instruments. Lander. The lander is the most important module of the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft. It is responsible for safely landing the spacecraft on the lunar surface. The lander is equipped with a variety of sensors and systems to help it navigate and land safely. These sensors include a radar altimeter, a laser altimeter, and a star tracker. The lander also has a propulsion system that will be used to slow down the spacecraft and land it on the lunar surface. Rover. The rover is a small, mobile. The rover will be used to explore the lunar surface and conduct scientific experiments. The rover is equipped with a variety of scientific instruments, including a camera, a spectrometer, and a magnetometer. Also have a robotic arm that will be used to collect samples from the lunar surface. Propulsion module. The propulsion module is responsible for carrying the lander and rover to the lunar surface. The propulsion module liquid-fueled engine that will be used to propel the spacecraft to the moon. The propulsion module also has a number of other systems, including a guidance system, a navigation system. The scientific instruments on the Chandrayaan 3 space variety of aspects of the lunar surface and subsurface. These instruments include orbiter camera. The orbiter camera will be used to take images. Moon mineralogy mapper. The moon mineralogy mapper will be used to map the chemical composition of the lunar surface. This information will be used to study the formation and evolution of the moon. Imaging lunar exploration spectrometer. ILS. The ILS will be used to study the mineralogy and composition of the lunar surface. This information will be used to understand the history of the moon to search for potential resources. Chandrayaan 3 surface experiment.